Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maaz and you're watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join us for a romantic and intimate look at the life of Princess Catherine, the Duchess of Cambridge. In this video, we will take you on a journey through Catherine's childhood and early life in Berkshire, her university days and meeting Prince William, their fairy tale romance and engagement, the royal wedding of century and Catherine's stunning dresses, their life together as a royal couple and parents to a Princess George, Princess Charlotte and a Princess Louise. From their first meeting to their happily ever after, we will explore the ups and downs of Catherine and William's relationship and how they become one of the most beloved and respected royal couples in the world. Whether rare photos, footages and expert community, this video is must watch for anyone who loves a good love story and is fascinated by British royal family. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more royal and celebrity content and share this video with your friends and family who love Princess Catherine. Comment below with your thoughts and questions. We will love hearing from you. Thanks for watching and we hope you enjoy this romantic and inspiring video. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers get an inside look at Catherine's life before she became a royal and discover how Catherine and William's relationship and learn how about the challenges they face as a young couple. Find out how Catherine adjusts to royal life. See rare photos of Catherine's early days as a royal. Hear from experts about Catherine's impact of the royal family. Get the story behind Catherine's iconic wedding dresses and learn about Catherine's passions and charitable work. And discover how Catherine balances royal duties and motherhood. Find out how Catherine supports her husband and family and get an inside look at Catherine's fashion choice. And discover how Catherine is inspiring new generation of young women. Find out how Catherine handles media security. Get the story behind Catherine's most memorable moments. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, if you are watching this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video with your family and friends. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more video like this, please tell me in the comment box what do you like in my video and which type of video do you like in future. My dear subscribers and all my viewers, in this channel you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my video. So on my channel you will get to see the latest fashion trend and style from all ages from women. I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey. So today we are talking about one of the most stylish royals, Kate Middleton. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, Kate's fashion sense is always on point. Let's dive in and explore some of her most iconic looks. And who can forget Kate's stunning wedding dresses designed by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen. This lace gown is a masterpiece. And let's not forget her iconic and red carpet looks like this gorgeous Jenny Peckham gown. Kate dresses are always a hit and we cannot get enough of them. But Kate's style is not just limited to formal events. And the best part, you can recreate her looks without breaking the bank. So where you can find dresses like Kate's, you can visit any online store like Alexander McQueen to affordable options like Zara and H&M. There is something for every budget, and don't forget to check out online retailer like Net-a-Porter and ASOS for a wide range of stylish options. Thanks again for watching, lovies. If you new here, consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. I upload new videos every day, from fashion tips and trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any question for future videos, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of my latest videos. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much.